Mike Florio from Pro Football Talk on what his sources have told him the NFL presented to Judge Sue L. Robinson in the Deshaun Watson disciplinary hearings that wrapped up last week.
My understanding is, and this comes from a person with knowledge of the proceedings, no evidence of any violence committed, no evidence of any threats of violence, no evidence of any coercion, no evidence of any duress, no evidence that would constitute assault or battery or anything that would trigger that 6-game baseline suspension. There's a 6-game baseline suspension that was one of the products of the Ray Rice situation, where the NFL beefed up the personal conduct policy and created that 6-game suspension as the not minimum, but baseline. It can go down, it can go up based upon mitigating or aggravating factors, but it's a baseline of 6. If you don't have any evidence of any assault, any violence, anything that would fall into that category, the 6-game minimum suspension doesn't apply as to any of the individuals. None of them. You've got 5 different cases that were brought to Judge Robinson. If you have no evidence of assault in any of them, you don't have a 6-game baseline suspension for any of them. So, and I'm approaching this very logically.
The other thing that would tell you, if you don't have that evidence, that's the reason that a couple of grand juries returned the no bill and that it did not go forward with the proceedings.